In order to compete with the iPhone 13, the Xiaomi Mi 11T may include two novel upgrades. The smartphone market moves quickly, and we're already anticipating what the Xiaomi Mi 11T flagship will bring. Specifically, two innovations that will put it on par with or ahead of every other handset on the market. According to popular Weibo leaker digital chat station, via Phone Arena, a future Xiaomi flagship will include an under-display selfie camera, as well as ultra-wideband (UWB) support to help it stand out from the crowd. That in-screen camera is a rumor we've heard before in regards to future Xiaomi phones, and the technology is also supposedly coming to handsets such as the Samsung Galaxy S22. The short-range communications protocol is built into recent iPhones, and is the primary technology offered by Apple AirTags in terms of ultra-wideband support. It's a matter of when, not if. In-screen cameras and UWB are two of the hottest pieces of smartphone tech right now, and Xiaomi isn't afraid to add the latest features to its phones as soon as they're available. The upcoming Apple device will undoubtedly include some form of ultra-wideband connectivity, allowing it to fully support AirTags, but we don't expect Apple to introduce in-screen selfie cameras for quite some time.